name is Andrew Hartline, sales manager here at Ensign Equipment, and today I would like to talk to you about one of our add-on options for our Gaylord dumper. It's our over travel stop. The over travel stop is a mechanical positive stop that prevents the Gaylord dumper from rotating past 135 degrees. So our standard basic dumpers that we offer all rotate to a max rotation of 135 degrees. But sometimes we're dumping material that's really heavy or sluggish. Maybe it's like paper, or maybe it's purgings in the plastics industry, or maybe it could be just recycled metal wire clippings, something that nests and clings together, and it's got a lot of surge when it comes out. So with an over travel stop, we actually provide with this C-channel frame and these rubber bumpers a positive stop that prevents the bucket from rotating any further. And one of the main reasons why we want the bucket to not rotate any further or be pulled past 135 degrees is to protect the hydraulic cylinders. When we extend them past their 24 inches of stroke, we're applying a lot of side load pressure on them, and we may actually even be popping heads of pistons off. We don't want to see that. We could get contact on the frame, all things which could eventually lead to seal failure, and now you've got a housekeeping mess as you got hydraulic fluid, blow-bying the seals. So the positive stop on an over travel stop is a great add-on option for those types of applications. It's very cost effective as opposed to doing some type of double acting hydraulic system or just multiple position switches. It's a simple, smart solution. And it's one that we often recommend when we're dealing in a heavy or sluggish material and applications of that nature. So I hope this little video has kind of given you some information about this option. We've probably, if you're seeing this because we've optioned it for you, we probably sent you this video to try to give you a really good mind's eye of the necessity for it. If you've got any questions, please contact us or leave comments below. As always, please share our videos. We really appreciate that. Thank you for your time, and we'll catch you on the next one.